Latin square design. It is a single-factor experimental design, different from completely randomized designs and randomized block designs. Its main goal is to isolate and control two nuance variables at the same time, with the major assumption that the two nuance variables are not interacting. The general idea is that you have your trials set up in rows and columns, with the rows being one nuance variable and the columns being the other nuance variable. And each letter is a trial. The way that you organize your Latin square design is dependent on how you want to do it. You can either do a pattern or you can do true randomness. And if you think of true randomness like Sudoku, where you have to follow the rules where you have no duplications in your rows and no duplications in your columns, your trials. The example I want to focus on is comparing strength in raw materials based off of the material length and the measuring device. So in mine, I have my measuring devices in my columns and I have my lengths in my rows. Each metal is about 2.5 centimeter diameter rod, and I have 2 digital gauges and 2 mechanical gauges measuring the force that each of these metal rods can withstand. If you see, some of them seem to be more accurate than others, and you can use Latin square designs to try to figure out which variable could be causing conflict in your data. Some fun facts is that it is actually inspired by mathematical papers by Euler, and Sudoku is a special type of Latin square design called a magic square, which actually predates Euler's papers by about 70 years.